Good morning to all of you. Yesterday,
Sir,
we have completed the sources of redemption, in which the fresh issue is to be made for the equity shares. Then CRR is to be created. Divisible profit for the purpose of redemption is to be used. Then premium on redemption may not be used for the purpose of redemption of preference shares. So all the things and the sources of redemption of preference shares that we have considered yesterday. So today we are dealing with some important steps. While solving the problem, we have to consider or take into account some important things which are to be seen in the provisions of the preference redemption of preference shares in the Companies Act 2013. So give the heading some important tips for solving the practical problems or solving the practical problems. Underline. While solving the problem on redemption of preference shares, some important points or the tips are to be taken into consideration. These tips are discussed as below. पेजचे दोन भाग करा. Make the two parts of the page. एकीकडे नाव द्या लेफ्ट हँड साइडला. Information given in the problem. And second part मध्ये लिहा treatment to be made. Information च्या साइडला नंबर 1. Partly paid preference shares make fully paid. Partly paid preference shares make fully paid. Next part मध्ये treatment. Firstly, make the partly paid preference shares fully paid. preference shares fully paid. By making the calls, by making the calls on the amount which is on the amount which is not called upon, not called upon. Number two, partly paid and fully paid preference shares are given. Partly paid and fully paid preference shares are given. Next part मध्ये, if there is no specific instruction, if there is no specific instruction to redeem only fully paid preference shares, to redeem only fully paid preference shares, then both the types of preference shares, both the types of preference shares are redeemed, are redeemed by making partly paid up, by making partly paid up as fully paid shares, as fully paid shares. म्हणजे कुठल्याच प्रकारची आपल्याला माहिती दिली नसेल तर आपण फक्त फुल्ली पेड प्रिफरन्स शेअर्स रिडीम करायचे नाहीत, तर पार्टली पेड शेअर सुद्धा आपण फुल्ली पेड करून ते देखील आपण रिडीम करू शकतो. नंबर 3, fully paid preference shares with fully paid preference shares with calls in arrears, calls in arrears on some shares, on some shares. ट्रीटमेंट मध्ये redeem only fully paid, redeem only fully paid preference shares, fully paid preference shares full stop. If calls in arrears, if calls in arrears are collected, then redeem all the preference shares, then redeem all the preference shares. Number 4, forfeiture of shares, FORFEITURE, जप्ती, forfeiture of shares. Next part, firstly pass the journal entry, firstly pass the journal entry regarding forfeiture on which calls are in arrears, on which calls are in arrears. Full stop. If there is no forfeiture, if there is no forfeiture, exclude such shares for the purpose of such shares for the purpose of redemption. Number 5, redemption entirely out of profit, entirely, redemption entirely out of profits. Next part, create CRR equal to the nominal value of preference shares redeemed out of divisible profits, Number 6, redemption partly out of profit and partly out of fresh issue, Next part मध्ये create CRR equal to the nominal value of preference shares redeemed out of profits and redeem the remaining amount of share capital out of proceeds of fresh issue of shares. Number 7, issue of debentures treatment. Next part, do not consider the amount of issue of debentures received as a part of fresh issue जे डिबेंचरच्या इश्यूची रक्कम रिडम्शन साठी वापरायची नाही, हा त्याच्यातला महत्वाचा भाग आहे. नंबर 8, न्यू इश्यू नेक्स्ट पार्ट मध्ये the amount of new issue is calculated by the following formula तो फॉर्म्युला त्याच पार्ट मध्ये घ्यायचा आहे. नॉमिनल व्हॅल्यू ऑफ मिनिमम न्यू इश्यू इज इक्वल टू, फॉर्म्युला आहे बरोबर, इज इक्वल टू नॉमिनल व्हॅल्यू ऑफ प्रिफरन्स शेअर्स to be redeemed, minus divisible profits Number 9, sale of assets. Next part मध्ये entries regarding sale of assets should be made before redemption so as to make available necessary cash for redemption. म्हणजे CRR देखील कमी असेल, प्रॉफिट कमी असेल, न्यू इश्यू देखील कमी असतील तर काही असेट विकल्या जातात. त्या असेट किती रुपयाच्या आल्या हे अगोदर काढायचं असतं आणि नंतर मग रिडम्शन साठी वापरायचे असते. नंबर 10, नॉन ट्रेसेबल प्रिफरन्स शेअर होल्डर्स. नॉन ट्रेसेबल TRACEABLE, ज्यांचा कुठे थांग पत्ता लागत नाही असे शेअर होल्डर्स, नॉन ट्रेसेबल प्रिफरन्स शेअर होल्डर्स. नेक्स्ट पार्ट मध्ये in case of some preference shareholders are not traceable, त्यांचा कुठेच ट्रेस लागत नाही, are not traceable, कॉमा करा, their claim should be shown as a current liabilities, full stop. The claim of such preference shareholders should be deducted deducted from the total claim. The total claim. समजा 10 लाख रुपयाचा आपल्याला प्रिफरन्स शेअर होल्डर्सना पैसे द्यायचे आहेत, रिडीम करायचे आहेत, पण त्याच्यातले जर समजा असे काही प्रिफरन्स शेअर होल्डर्स आहेत की त्यांचा ट्रेस लागत नाही, 10 लाखातले समजा 50,000 प्रिफरन्स शेअर होल्डरचा पत्ता लागत नाही, अशा वेळेला ते 50,000 वजा करायचे आणि 9,50,000चं रिडम्पशन करायचं. ज्यांचा काहीच आपल्याला ट्रेस लागत नाही अशा शेअर होल्डरची रक्कम वजा करायची. नंबर 11, इश्यू ऑफ बोनस. इश्यू ऑफ बोनस to make partly paid shares fully paid. To make partly paid shares fully paid. Next part मध्ये, in this case CRR and security premium, CRR and security premium cannot be utilized, use only divisible profits, use only divisible profits. बोनस शेअर जर इश्यू केले पार्टली पेड फुल्ली पेड करण्यासाठी, तर CRR आणि सिक्युरिटी प्रीमियम वापरायचे नाही, ओनली डिव्हिजिबल प्रॉफिट यूज करायचा. तर ह्या काही महत्त्वाच्या टिप्स आहेत. अकाउंटिंग प्रोसिजर अँड जर्नल एंट्रीज. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग द्या, accounting procedures and journal entries. In the redemption of preference shares, in the redemption of preference shares, mostly the journal entries are to be passed in the books of a company. These journal entries are related to the following transactions. पहिला नंबर टाका जर्नल एंट्रीचा, मेकिंग कॉल्स ऑन शेअर्स. आता आपण काय डेट, पर्टिक्युलर्स, डेबिट, क्रेडिट असं आखून ठेवणार नाही. प्रॉब्लेम सोडवताना मात्र आपण ते आखणार. सध्या आपल्या नेहमीच्या पद्धतीनं जर्नल एंट्रीज पास करा. मेकिंग कॉल्स ऑन शेअर्स एंट्री, share call account debit, to share capital account, narration being share call money of rupees dash dash share call money of rupees dash dash called on dash dash shares, called on dash dash shares, transfer to transfer to share capital account, share capital account. Number two, collection of calls amount, collection of calls amount. Entry, bank account debit, bank account debit to share call account, to share call account. Narration being share call money received, being share call money received, recorded. Number three, forfeiture of shares, forfeiture of shares. Entry, share capital account debit, share capital account debit to forfeited shares account, to forfeited shares account, to calls in arrears account, to calls in arrears account. Narration being shares forfeited, shares forfeited on which the calls in arrears, on which the calls in arrears was there, was there. Number four, reissue of forfeiture shares, reissue of forfeiture shares. जप्त केलेले भाग पुन्हा विक्रीला काढले. बँक अकाउंट डेबिट, बँक अकाउंट डेबिट, forfeited shares account debit, forfeited shares account debit to share capital account, to share capital account, being forfeited shares reissued, forfeited shares reissued, and the amount is received, and the amount is received. Number five, profit on reissue of, profit on reissue of forfeited shares, forfeited shares. Entry, forfeiture account debit, forfeiture account debit to capital reserve account, to capital reserve account, being profit on reissue of forfeited shares, being profit on reissue of forfeited shares, transferred to capital reserve account, transferred to capital reserve account. Number 6, sale of fixed asset, sale of fixed assets, and profit or loss on it, and profit or loss on it, adjusted for calculation of divisible profits, adjusted for calculation of divisible profits. Entry: bank account debit into bracket sales proceed, bank account debit into bracket sales proceed, and profit and loss account debit, profit and loss account debit into bracket loss on sale, loss on sale, bracket complete, to particular asset account into bracket book value, to particular asset account into bracket book value, into profit and loss account into bracket profit on sale, profit on sale. Narration being assets sold and the profit or loss on it, and the profit or loss on it, adjusted, adjusted. Number 7, fresh issue of shares, fresh issue of shares, त्याच्यामध्ये ॲट पार, 100 रुपयाचा 100 रुपयालाच विकला तर ॲट पार. एंट्री: बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट, टू शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट. लगेच तिथं लिहा दुसरा ॲट प्रीमियम, सगळ्यांचं नरेशन कंबाईन देतो. ॲट प्रीमियम. एंट्री: बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट into bracket total amount to share capital account, to share capital account into bracket face value, and to securities premium account, to securities premium account into bracket amount of premium, amount of premium. त्याच्यामध्येच ॲट डिस्काउंट, ॲट डिस्काउंट. एंट्री: बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट into bracket amount received, discount on issue of shares account debit, discount on issue of shares account debit into bracket amount of discount to share capital account into bracket face value. या तिघांचं नॅरेशन एकच आहे. being fresh issue of shares made at par, at premium and at a discount, at par, at premium and at a discount, recorded with cash received, recorded with cash received. Number 8, transferring the claim to the preference shareholders account, transferring the claim to the preference shareholders account. याच्यामध्ये पुन्हा नंबर 1 टाका. रिडम्पशन ॲट पार, redemption at par, entry preference share capital account debit, preference share capital account debit to preference shareholders account, to preference shareholders account. त्याच्यामध्ये नंबर 2 redemption at premium, redemption at premium, entry preference share capital account debit into bracket nominal value, preference share capital account debit into bracket nominal value, premium on redemption of preference shares account, premium on redemption of preference shares account into bracket amount of premium to preference shareholders account, to preference shareholders account into bracket total amount, total amount. Narration being the amount of claim redeemed to preference shareholders, redeemed to preference shareholders at par or at premium, at par or at premium recorded number 9, providing for premium on redemption, providing for premium on redemption, entry capital reserve account debit, capital reserve account debit, general reserve account debit, general reserve account debit, profit and loss account debit, profit and loss account debit to premium on redemption of preference shares account, to premium on redemption of preference shares account, Narration being premium on redemption provided. Premium on redemption provided to the various accounts. To the various accounts. शेवटची एक 10वी एंट्री घेतो, बाकीच्या राहिलेल्या नंतर घेतो. नंबर 10, क्रिएशन ऑफ CRR. Creation of CRR. Entry. Profit and loss account debit. Profit and loss account debit. General reserve account debit. General reserve account debit. To capital redemption reserve account. To capital redemption reserve account. Being CRR created. CRR created for the purpose of redemption of preference shares. For the redemption of preference shares. अजून 4-5 एंट्रीज राहिलेल्या आहेत आणि काही मुद्दे थोडे उद्या लिहून देईन आणि मग आपल्याला प्रत्यक्ष प्रॉब्लेम सुद्धा घेता येते. 5 जर्नल एंट्री आणि काही बेसिक थिंग्स राहिलेल्या आहेत, त्या उद्या बघू. ओके. बरं, तुमच्यामधला मॅनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग राहिलेला कोण आहे का 3ऱ्या सेमिस्टरचा ग्रुपमध्ये? तर उद्या 1 ते 2 मॅनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग सेमिस्टर 3चा एक केटीचा पेपर आहे. असतील कोणी तुमच्या मित्र मैत्रिणींपैकी तर त्यांना जरा सांगा. ते टाइम टेबल बघत नाहीत, पेपर झाल्यावर मला फोन करतात. मग शक्यतो जर तुमचे असे कोणी ओळखीचे असतील की ज्यांचा मॅनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग सेमिस्टर 3चा केटी राहिलेला आहे, त्यांना थोडंसं सांगा. ओके, बाय.